Hey, this is Nick from UCARS. We're not in my garage. We're actually in my buddy's garage. Doug's underneath the car right now. We're doing other fun things here today. We can kind of guess why, but or maybe not. But one of the reasons why we're here is because of this. Well, not particularly that one, but that one that's over there. You'll see it here in a little bit, but it's broken. How did this happen again?
I went over a big pothole, and that's pretty much it.
So big pothole, smacked it really hard, and because you're on Petter coilovers now, it decided nope. And this is one of those rare fixes that we have to do, that I've ever done actually. I think this is one of the first, it's the first focus arc rear axle that I've ever done, and I think anybody has ever done. So this is gonna be a video about that. We're gonna be doing a rear axle on his car, because unfortunately it broke. I'll show you guys here in a little bit once we've got a light. But yeah, Doug's already working, so we can knock this out. All right, underneath the car, what you're gonna have to do is, for maneuverability reasons, Doug took off this panel. This is a side panel that's usually sitting right about there. And he's trying to get access to a couple bolts on the trailing arm that's going vertical. I don't know if I can get it. I don't know if I can get a good angle on it. Maybe. Yep, there it goes. There's one there. And there's one chilling right there, so you gotta get this bolt that's through that wishbone there. And the two verticals on that trailing arm is above where he's at, right there. So we gotta undo those, drop this down, and what he's trying to do is trying to push it out this way so that way we can gain access to this axle right here on the RDU. If I can get it. Yeah, there it goes. So that is your, oh, there you go, that's your axle. This right here is your axle, and if we follow along the axle, let's see if I can see it. Right here. Let's see how bad it is. Oh, look at that. Oh, you can kind of see it over here. Well, I think this angle is pretty bad, but
when it comes out, we can see it better.
Yeah, once it comes out, but damn, I can already see like where you cleaned up the grease. Ashton?
Yeah.
I can see where you cleaned up the grease, man. Like,
it was a lot.
Nick, I need your ratchet.
Yeah.
I don't have,
okay.
I forgot my ratchets.
Okay, well, so we're gonna undo those bolts up there. That's what we gotta do. And then undo that wishbone over here.
We need a 3/8.
And then once we do that,
yeah,
we're good.
And you have more movement. Yeah. I might have to take...
Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Oh yeah, it's broke. You can see it, it's sheared at some point. We'll see it when it gets out, but man, look at that. Even it threw the grease everywhere inside that knuckle assembly.
Watch your hand.
Oh, you see it? So right now he's gonna use this jack. I'm gonna put it right about here in the spotlight, and we're gonna undo this bolt. Once we undo that, I gotta drop this down. And then it should give us enough room because we already undid the knuckle or the wishbone that used to be right there, and then undid those bolts so it gives us room on the trailing arm. See how it's hanging now? So we undid that, and then yeah, then after that we get this axle. Gotta get it separated from the RDU, which is above me. There. So not right there. So once we get this RDU, or this is the RDU here, undo that. Push this back, and then it should come right out once we get this down and out. I'm gonna move because I don't want to be in the way of that.
I was just about to say that.
Ratchet that bends.
I release you. And I need to move back because I don't want to get hit.
Slowly.
I'm out of the way so you can go for it.
Going.
There she goes. Nice and easy.
Go a little lower.
Yep, keep her going. There it goes.
Keep going.
Nice.
There. So it's on no pressure. There.
There, look at that. A lot more room. Perfect. So I just gotta separate it from either that side first.
So we move the jack for you?
So
Yeah. Okay. Watch your decision.
let's just separate that.
Why is it not going all the way in?
You might have to pry at it.
No, this.
I hate that bolt. Specifically that one.
Well, it was because of your other side.
Do you remember the other?
Story time for another time. How's my finger? Nice.
Is it hard to come out like the fronts?
No, it seemed like it was really easy. You just pushed it out. I didn't capture it. I'm sorry, guys, but yeah, there it is.
Once you take the shock off, like I thought, because the sway bar, there's a Heim joint up here, so it allows it to swing. You can see
On the back side, yeah, right there.
this knuckle or this arm after it's released from the shock. This trailing arm and this control arm right here is all you need to take out. That'll pop it.
From right there, you see that bolt is? It sits like right about here. Right in there. In the spot. Oh, okay, well. He's got that. Bruh, easy. Please don't piss food on me. Please don't piss food on me. Oh, that was a shit. Ooh, you okay?
I'm fine. It just was not a nice feeling, that's all.
You can see where it like just exploded.
Yeah, maybe. That's all grease. See that? All that green stuff? It's all grease. I don't see where it hit, but you can see it on the axle. I don't see anything on here where it hit anything. It's fine in here. How about over there? Let's see. Let's go see that axle. I want to see it. Let's do it. Oops, excuse me. How bad is it? It's like it broke the boot right and was right there it is. It's shredded. There's your hit. It smacked it out hard.
All from a pothole.
Jeez. More like a crater. A what? What's it look like? Is that the noise you heard? Customer states.
That's the noise I heard.
Customer states. There's a clunk. Clunking. While driving. Well, we're not using that again, are we?
No, we're not.
And here we go. We're doing this. We are doing a new axle. You can get one of these at your local O'Reilly's. This one was actually at the Hub store in San Antonio, which is cool. So, what's nice about this is, hey, if you got a brand new axle, you just replace a new one just because of that. That over there.
You see that one?
From this to that.
Yeah.
And what's nice about these is it comes with new hardware. You don't have to worry about it. Although, that one's not too bad either. I don't have stuff for it. Oh, actually, do you have blue torque stripe? Blue torque stripe? Maybe.
I maybe do.
Or not torque stripe, excuse me.
Might do.
You know, blue Loctite. Loctite, I keep saying torque stripe. Loctite for this to go in here. And there's a plug on it to cover the threads. This is literally the only thing that's holding in your rear axle. Just a little bolt, about yay big. About the size, like smaller than my pinky. Look. Or actually, no, it's about the same size as my pinky. And width or thickness. Down to the thickness.
And this is the original one.
Yeah. Look at it.
Very similar.
Look in comparison to his finger. Look. Wait, look at it. That's all it's holding in there. That's it. Just that. But now it needs to go back in. Oh yeah. This shouldn't be too bad, right?
Not at all.
And what's nice too is that also has an O-ring. So the old one has a C-clip that goes into the RDU, O-ring. And of course that seals around the RDU. Nice, not bad. He's ready to go back in. Right. Right. All right, I need to go help him. All right. I think it lost its focus. There we go. All right. Push. Trying. Nope. Okay, here, I'm gonna have to, so we're gonna guide this in real quick. So, yeah, you can kind of get the idea. There, Ethan. Okay, cool. Maybe it might need a little more, I think.
Hit it one more time.
One more? Give it the business, like give it like hard. Yeah.
It's somewhat straight, but just beat the shit.
Yeah. I think it's all the way in.
Okay. Take the, no, take the cap off first. Cap off.
The cap?
Yes.
Yes. Stop the cap.
Hold up, just pull it?
Yes.
You can let go, you can relax.
Hold up.
Get the pliers. Get them doing those pliers. You can stick it in. That's what she said! Oh, whoa.
Did you get it?
You got something, I think.
Snips, but it'll work better.
Yeah, that works. Yeah. As long as you don't cut, you just gotta grab. That's as good. Right? No?
No, just down there.
Not anymore.
Okay.
Is the threads good in there? The
Yeah,
threads
it should be.
Yep.
Oh my god. Well, that doesn't help me. Kind of.
Turn on.
Is it in there?
Turn it a little bit.
Turn what? I can't turn. I can't really rotate it.
Is your parking brake on?
Yes.
Take it off.
All right, taking it off. It's in gear.
That's fine. Oh shit.
What's going on? There it goes.
Yeah. As you go up, and once you can kind of move it. There you go. Okay. So.
Alright, bolts going back in. They're both exactly the same length. Exactly the same length, exactly the same thread pitch. Going back in. Right in the center.
That one didn't seem very tight at all.
It's not supposed to be uber tight. Like I said, it was a 13. I mean, not huge. Not a 12, 13.
All right, and just like that, the axle is now on. Car's back down. Nice and easy. Shouldn't be too bad. I mean, that was pretty painless.
It was.
So,
It was simple.
this is now completed, and now it's ready to drive again. That axle was pretty toast. So, as you saw, it was pretty done. So, yeah, I know this is pretty short. It's pretty quick. I mean, it's pretty easy to do. So, it's always nice. Those few bolts, the trailing arm, lower control arm, undo those, drop it down. That's it. Pull the axle out of the RDU. Nice and easy. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like this video. If so, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. Also, I'm still waiting on those comments. Hit it down below. See what I was actually going to be doing for my next mod for the RS, because that's coming in the next video of that actual mod that we're doing to actually improve the car for the track. So look forward to that. This is Nick from UCARS. It's Ashton and my brother, who's driving right, or about to take off, but yep, we're all heading out now. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Fade away as you fade away as you fade. what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch